can I just let you in on a little secret? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since you've actually seen my face, but I'm here, alive and colored. Thank you to all my new subscribers. You are far too kind to me, so I have got to be kind to you. I do have a giveaway, so if you stay till the end of this video, you're going to see what I'm giving away and you can choose what you want and obviously follow the rules. And yeah, I'm also going to go through a couple of questions that I've received. I received on that video, my previous video. I've tried to respond to as many as possible. It's just some of them I couldn't respond because once I click on them, it just happens to just vanish. I don't know where it's gone. So I thought I'll cover it in this video. Today, I'm sure a lot of you have been waiting, as I have as well, for the 20-day update of the rice water. So what I'm going to do is going to show you the clips side by side with measurements, how much I have actually grown in those days. But I will say this, you ready? Come a little closer, come closer. You know, the thing with this video that I'm doing is not to demonstrate how much of a degree I have in measuring my hair. You hear that? Or how well I've ironed my clothes, or how full my milk ducts are, just so the V is up or down or what. None of that. This video is just to share my experience and to help someone else out there. At the end of the day, I'm only sharing what I'm going through. You can agree or you can disagree. Either way, it does not affect my hair. I'm happy that most of you have actually tried this and it's helping you so much, and you're actually helping me as well, because some of you have dropped some of your different concoctions and it's been helping me, which I want to try as well. And I'm sure if you're someone like me who loves reading comments, you're gonna be well educated. But yeah, I'm rambling. So basically, that's all I wanted to say before everyone goes off in the comment section. This isn't about a measuring contest or how well I can iron my shirt or how many ridges are in my shirt and how it's going to affect the measurements. No, it's about this is what's helping me. I was going through postpartum shedding and now it's reduced significantly. So no one can tell me that there are no results. Okay? Okay. Now stay tuned. That is 12. Basically 12. That's also 11. That take it to 10, see 11. Oh, sorry, can you see that? Yeah. So 11 inches, I'd say. So some people are asking what I did. So what I did was I sprayed and left the rice water in my hair for all those 10 days. So all of those 10 days, I sprayed, I cream, and then I seal with some oil, and I repeat it for 10 days. I leave it in, I don't wash my hair, and then on day 10, I wash my hair. And I've got a video which I will link up here somewhere on what I do on wash day. I hope that's okay. Another question that I used to get a lot is how long do I ferment the rice water? Do I have to ferment it every day? That's what I did. I started doing it every like overnight. So the night before I would ferment it and then use it on the day and then do another batch. But it was just becoming too long for me because I would have so much left and I didn't want to throw it out. So what I ended up doing was fermenting for 2 days and using it for 2 days, and then so 2 days on, 2 days off sort of thing. Hope that makes sense. But this time around, when I was doing it from day 11 to day 20, what I did was I did a big batch and I just stored it in the fridge. That's all I did really. So you can do either of them, and as you saw in the video, I still got some growth. I think essentially all it is to get the rice water on your scalp and in your hair, and you're gonna get results. Many people have said they do it on a weekly basis as a rinse and they have still seen results. So just get the rice water somehow into your routine and you're gonna see some results. Yeah. Some people have also asked what type of rice to use. I've shown in, again, one of the videos up here, the rice that I like to use. But I know some ladies who use brown rice, wild rice, organic rice, whatever. All the rices, it seems to work. So just explore with them. What I do find is with like the Uncle Ben's rice and the Easy Cook rice, it tends to soak up all the water, and then you just have no water left. And I started to smell, I think, that pungent smell that everyone's talking about after I think 3 days or so. So I ended up not using it. That one was just a trial one, but that one smelled compared to the one that I use, which is basmati or long grain, I can't remember. I think a lot of my low porosity ladies also wanted to know what they could do. I always say always listen to your hair, or try it on a little section of your hair before you know, drench your hair with the rice water. I warm up my mixture, so once I've done the batch, I just pour a little bit in a little container, warm it up for like 5 to 10 seconds, and then I pour it back into a spray bottle and spray that onto my hair. And I find that my hair absorbs it much better than spraying it directly from the fridge. It just gives me chills, and I'm not about that. I want to be nice, warm and cozy. We're trying to grow our hair, but we're not trying to kill ourselves in the process, yeah? So you can do that. You can warm it up a little bit and then put that in your hair. That works fine for me. Or you can just massage your scalp, get the heat there in your scalp, spray it in your head, and then you can cover it with like a rubber bag or whatever it is, just to trap the heat in there. That also works just as fine. If you're high porosity, like our friend, our girl, our sister, Kristen Alexia. Hey girl, thank you for saving our lives. She's got high porosity hair and she just went ahead and sprayed it everywhere, and that worked fine for her. She didn't have to warm it up. So yeah, knock yourselves out. Just find what works for you and just run with it. I also noticed that some of you had problem with the smell. Again, it's not something I really experienced aside from the chunky rice situation. And even that, I still found that the smell wasn't that bad. But I think some ladies are really experiencing some really pungent smells. A girl here on YouTube, Jazz Mary, I'm gonna put her video down below. She's got a whole video dedicated to, you know, making it smell much more appetizing. Not that you're gonna drink it, but yeah, she uses peppermint, and I've tried the peppermint one, even though mine doesn't smell. Peppermint's great for hair growth, so you can try that. And she's also tried, she also showed orange peel, I believe. And I believe a subscriber down below also said that she tried it and it smells great. So you can try those two options, or you can just mix it up. Put in lavender. Lavender is great for hair growth, as well as rosemary essential oil. Just trial and error it to master the smell. Hey boo. Yeah, to master the smell. I know, I just realized I didn't have the light on all this time. I'm so sorry. So, onto the giveaway. I've got a couple of artworks that I want to give away. Well, I'm going to be giving away one, but I've got a selection of 4 and they're very big. So here's the first one. Oh, if you can actually, you see it? She's a beauty. The ring light's all in the way. Let me switch it off and see. Okay, the light's gonna be in the way, but basically it's massive, all of that. I'm gonna put the original on the screen for you to see, but yeah. She is called Serenity, because I'm all about the peace here. Serenity. Or Serenity, whichever way you want to say it. This is the second one. Ooh. She's called Vulnerable. Ooh, if you can see it. It's just a beauty. Picture of her back. I'll put it on the screen. That's number 2, Vulnerable. I've got this one. Ooh, if you can see it. She's called Dreamer. Yes, I draw a lot of females. And the last one is called, I don't know what I want to call her, but yeah, it's got a long story. I was inspired by obviously myself. That's that one, but I'm going to put it on the screen. But I would probably call her Home and Away. Yeah, Home and Away. Yeah. So yeah, those are the 4. All the details will be in the description and on my Instagram. Be a subscriber over here. Follow me on my Instagram and find this picture on my Instagram and tag Serena Williams in the comment section, and also tag your bestie in the comment section and tell them how much you love them or why you love them. I love reading your comments, so I'm really going to be looking forward to, you know, what you guys think of your besties, because I have a bestie and she's so precious to me. It's actually her birthday today. So that's what inspired this. Once you've done that, what I want you to do is come back onto this video and just type in the comments done, and then put your Instagram handle in the comments as well as which one of these you want. So one of those 4. This giveaway is going all the way to the end of February, and then I'm going to pick the winner beginning of March and send it out to you. I'm so excited. I hope you are as well. But until next time, stay fabulous and God bless you. Mwah!